Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2022 Jeep Grand Wagoneer Obsidian in Baltic Gray. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, pedestrian emergency braking, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 12,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, select terrain system, second row heated seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, Hurricane twin turbo, 510 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D6976.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.